All my dear student, today I am here to discuss some specific method of the preparation of the ketones only, because in the last previous lecture we had completed the general method of the preparation of the carbonyl compound, as well as we discussed the method of preparation of the aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde and how we are able to prepare the ketones only. Some specific methods are also here to prepare the ketones. Okay, so in that the first method to prepare the ketones only, that is from Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagents. And how we are able to prepare the ketone from Grignard reagents only. So here the first method is, also the so many methods are there. The first one is reaction with alkyl nitriles. The first method is the reaction with the alkyl nitriles, and the second one is reaction with acid halide or acid amide or esters also. Okay, so here common word what we can write over here, यहाँ पे एक सिंपल सा कॉमन वर्ड आप क्या दे सकते हो, रिएक्शन विद derivative of carboxylic acids. Okay, so this is also one of the method to prepare the ketone when the Grignard reagent react with the alkyl nitriles, which is also called as the RCN. Okay, or the ketone can also be prepared when the Grignard reagent react with the acid halide or the acid amide or the ester. Okay. So these compounds are also called as, इन compounds को आप क्या बोलते हो? These compounds are called as the derivative of carboxylic acid. Okay, so this is the method of the preparation of the ketones. Now, so here I am going to, and one more method is there. There is a one more method from cadmium and lithium compounds. From cadmium and the lithium compounds. Okay, so these are the certain methods by which we are able to prepare ketones only. ये जनरल मेथड्स में नहीं है, ये एल्डिहाइड में भी नहीं है, केवल कीटोन्स में आएंगे. ओके, आप कैसे बनाओगे देखो. नाउ सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस वन बाय वन दैट हाउ द कीटोन्स विल प्रिपेयर from the Grignard reagents only, because this is a very much important part. Okay, now so the first one is reaction of Grignard reagent with alkyl nitrile RCN. Okay, reaction of the Grignard reagent with alkyl nitrile, how the reaction will take place, see over here. Alkyl nitrile is the RCN, Grignard reagent RMGX. How the reaction will proceed? Here you can say C triple bond N plus RMGX. So when the reaction will take place, firstly it will form one complex. It's C double bond NMGX and R will form, because you know better the triple bond is here. तो जब भी एडिशन होगा ट्रिपल से डबल बॉन्ड बन जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट आपको पता है कि इसका हाइड्रोलिसिस करोगे तो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हाइड्रोलिसिस कर दो H3O प्लस से. सो हियर द कीटोन विल फॉर्म एंड NMgOHX will form a complex. So this is the ketonic compound. So this is one of the method to form ketone when the alkyl nitrile react with the Grignard reagent. Here one more point you please remember, that this is an important point. When HCl reacts with Grignard reagent, अगर आप HCl जोड़ोगे then aldehyde will form as a product. तो वहां पे aldehyde बन रहा है, तो you please remember this part. ये हमारा important part आ गया कि how the aldehyde can be prepared from the Grignard reagent. तो अगर आप HCN जोड़ोगे तो aldehyde बन जाएगा. How the reaction will take place? Here HCN, HC triple bond N, again the Grignard reagent RMGX. So when the reaction will take place, what you will form? HC double bond NMGX, and here the R will form. Again the same procedure. What you will do? Again the hydrolysis of this compound. So what you will form? RCHO plus NMgOHX. Okay, so this is the aldehyde will form as a major product. This is the aldehyde compound. तो ये सब हमारा एल्डिहाइड बनके तैयार हुआ. तो ये भी एक मेथड हुआ. ये तो कीटोन है कि जब भी कोई आप एल्काइल नाइट्राइल जोड़ोगे तो उसका एक कीटोन बन जाएगा. बट वी कैन आल्सो प्रिपेयर द एल्डिहाइड फ्रॉम द Grignard reagent when the HCN react with the Grignard reagent. Okay, so this is a very much important method. Now the second one is, the next one is, because we can also form the ketone when the acid chloride or the acid amide. So from acid chloride, ठीक है. अब इससे कैसे बनेगा देखो. So you better know what is the formula. RCOCl is the derivative of the carboxylic acid. So when this derivative of the carboxylic acid is react with RMgX, so what will happen? ये एक टाइप का न्यूक्लियोफिलिक हुआ आपका सब्स्टिट्यूशन, आपको पता है न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन हुआ है ना. तो यहाँ पे कैसे रिएक्शन होगा देखो. हाउ द रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस? इट विल फॉर्म RCOMgX then R and then Cl. Okay, this is the product will form. After that what you will do? You will do the hydrolysis. जब आप हाइड्रोलिसिस करोगे यहाँ पे एसिडिक मीडियम ले लो क्योंकि हेलोजन लगा हुआ है. सो व्हाट द प्रोडक्ट विल फॉर्म ओवर हियर? RCOR plus HCl and MgOHX. Okay, so what the product will form? Here the major product will be the ketone. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है, ये सब इंपॉर्टेंट है. Okay, this is the complex. So you know very well, whenever the Grignard reagent combined with any one of the compound, firstly they will form the complex which will further hydrolyze to form the major product. Okay, so then second one is that from acid amide. अब अगर आप amide लेते हो, so what is the general formula of the acid amide? RCONH2. So when the acid amide react with the Grignard reagent, again the product will form. How? When RC double bond O NH2 react with RMgX, then how the reaction will proceed? Again it will form RCOMgX, NH2 and R. This is again the complex will form over here. Now after that further hydrolyze. अब तो यहाँ पूरा एमाइन ग्रुप आ गया, ज्यादा एसिडिक मीडियम चाहिए तो क्या करना पड़ेगा अपने को? कंप्लीट हाइड्रोलिसिस. So what the product will form? RC double bond OR plus NH3 यहाँ बनेगा and MgOH and X will form over this. Okay, so this is the product will form when the acid amide react with the Grignard. So this is also the very much important part. ठीक है ना. कंप्लीट द रिएक्शन में ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड दीज रिएक्शंस डियर आर नॉट गिवन इन द एनसीईआरटी में. ये आपका एनसीईआरटी में नहीं दिया हुआ है. एनसीईआरटी में केवल आपका एक ही रिएक्शन दिया है विच इज द एल्किल नाइट्राइल. तो ये कुछ एक्स्ट्रा रिएक्शन है, इनको थोड़ा तैयार रखो, विच इज वेरी मच यूजफुल फॉर यू फॉर द कन्वर्जन ऑल्सो. ठीक. नाउ आफ्टर दैट, so these are also certain methods to prepare the ketones only. Now I am going to discuss one of the two more methods to prepare the ketone, and after that I will start the physical and the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Now the next method is, this is also one of the method from acid chloride only. अब आप कहोगे सर आप एसिड क्लोराइड तो एक बार पढ़ा चुके हो, दोबारा क्यों लिख रहे हो? But this time again I am going to prepare the ketone, but this is not from Grignard reagent. पहली बार मैंने क्या बताया कि आपने Grignard reagent में एसिड क्लोराइड को जोड़ दिया तो उससे कीटोन बनके तैयार हो गया. The next method is there. If you remember dear, one of the method we discussed in the preparation of the aldehyde, that was the Rosenmund reaction. अगर आपको याद है तो Rosenmund reaction में क्या था? Rosenmund reaction में ये था कि जब आपने एसिड क्लोराइड का रिडक्शन कराया किसकी प्रेजेंस में? पैलेडियम और बेरियम सल्फेट में. सो व्हाट द प्रोडक्ट विल फॉर्म? द एल्डिहाइड विल फॉर्म, और आपका जो HCl निकला वो अलग निकल गया. लिमिटेशन क्या था? वी आर नॉट एबल टू फॉर्म द कीटोन्स, है ना. कीटोन नहीं बना सकते थे, बट क्या है, when acid chloride reacts with dialkyl cadmium। अगर हम इससे जोड़ते हैं तो अल्टीमेटली ये कौन सा मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन बना? फ्रॉम कैडमियम कंपाउंड। ये फ्रॉम कैडमियम कंपाउंड का एक मेथड है कि व्हेन द एसिड क्लोराइड रिएक्ट विद द डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम देन कीटोन्स विल फॉर्म। यहां पे कीटोन्स तैयार होते हैं, देन कीटोन्स विल फॉर्म। ओके, सो हाउ द रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस? दिस इज द एसिड क्लोराइड RCOCl। What is the formula of the dialkyl cadmium? It is the R2CD। एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ पे डैश लगा देते हैं और यहाँ पे 2 मॉलिक्यूल्स कर देते हैं। So what will happen over here? Here you will get the CdCl2, cadmium chloride बनेगा, and what the major product? It is the RCOR। 2 molecules we are having, so 2 molecules of the ketone will prepare। Okay, so this is the method of the preparation of the ketone from dialkyl cadmium। एक तरह से देखा जाए तो ये रोजनमुंड रिएक्शन का एक जवाब है, उसके लिमिटेशन का ये आंसर है। So we can also prepare the ketone from the alkyl chloride when either when the reaction with the Grignard reagent or when the reaction with the dialkyl cadmium। For example, यहाँ पे एक रिएक्शन देख लो। Suppose we are having CH3COCl and CH3 whole twice CD। यहाँ पे 2 मॉलिक्यूल ले लो। What will happen over there? Again the CdCl2 will form, and what the product will be there? 2CH3COCH3। Okay, so here what the product will form? Propanone will form as a major product। Okay, so this is again one of the method of the preparation of the ketone from the dialkyl cadmium when they react with the this acid chloride। Okay, now the next one is also one of the method, and that is one more method I am going to discuss। If you remember that in all the benzene compound we discuss one reaction, and the name of the reaction is called as the electrophilic substitution reaction। आप याद करो, ये बेंजीन की एक प्रॉपर्टी है, तो कोई सा बेंजीन का कंपाउंड आएगा तो वहां पे तो ये प्रॉपर्टी अपने को पढ़नी, बट यहाँ हमारे लिए प्रॉपर्टी फायदेमंद होगी, बिकॉज अगेन वी आर एबल टू प्रिपेयर द कीटोन कंपाउंड फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर वन मेथड विच विल कम अंडर द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन। If you remember that in the electrophilic substitution reaction, the reactions are the 4. Which one? The first one is the halogenation, then nitration, then sulfonation, then Friedel-Crafts reaction। In the Friedel-Crafts reaction, we had discussed the 2 parts, Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as the Friedel-Crafts acylation। तो अगर हम बेंजीन का Friedel-Crafts acylation करा दें, so again what the compound you will get? Again you will get the ketone as a major product। How? You see here। Now, so again the next method is electrophilic substitution reaction। Okay, and in this heading what the property you will discuss? You will discuss Friedel-Crafts acylation or benzoylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation or the benzoylation of which compound? Of benzene। Then again we are able to prepare this ketonic compound। How? Suppose this is also one of the method to prepare the aromatic ketone। ये हमारे पास बेंजीन हुआ, एक बार आपने सपोज अगर CH3COCl लिया, you better know whenever the Friedel-Crafts reaction will take place, it always take place in the presence of the anhydrous AlCl3। So what will happen over there? आपको पता है यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन हटेगा क्योंकि सब्स्टिट्यूशन हो रहा है, and what the product will form? COCH3 and HCl will form। So what is the product? It is called as the acetophenone। ये हमारा acetophenone बनके तैयार है। Okay, as well as when the benzene compound, whenever the benzene compound react with C6H5COCl, it is called as the benzoyl chloride। That's why the reaction is called as the benzoylation। So whenever this benzoyl chloride react with the benzene in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, so then what the product will form? C6H5CO C6H5। Okay, please remember the name of this compound. This is called as benzophenone. Okay, the structure of this compound can also make like this: C6H5, C double bond O, C6H5. Okay, so this is also called as the benzophenone. ठीक है, तो दिस विल कम अंडर द बेंजोइलेशन. तो ये भी एक मेथड हो गया कीटोन को बनाने का. ओके, एंड नाउ one more method is the last method for the preparation of the ketone. And now my dear, please never think like that कि किसी भी compound को बनाने के कुछ ही method होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होता. Lots of the methods are there to prepare any one of the organic compound, because so many methods we also discuss in the conversion. But in the preparation method, while writing, we choose only those methods in which the product will form in a large content, in a good yield. Those methods we discuss. Okay. Now here you can say that कि अब जैसे ये मेथड हुआ, फिर ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट में अगर हम ईस्टर जोड़ देते तो भी हमारा बन के तैयार हो जाता. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे ऐसे कंपाउंड हैं जहां पर हम कीटोन को केवल बना सकते हैं. ओके, सो दोज मेथड वी डिस्कस व्हिच विल कम अंडर द केमिकल दिस मेथड ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द aldehyde and ketone. So today we discuss only some specific method for the preparation of the ketone only. There is also one of the method which is called the Core-House synthesis. Already I discussed with you. The Core-House method is also one of the method to prepare the ketone only. Okay, how? Because you better know, whenever the dialkyl copper lithium compound, when I2CuLi is react with which compound? You can say whenever this compound react with RCOCl. यहाँ से फिर अगर हम compound को जोड़ दें तो क्या बनेगा? So what the product will form? You can say again RCOR plus RCU plus LiCl. Okay, this compound will form. So again, this is also one of the method of preparation of the ketone, and which is the method? This is called as the Core-House synthesis. Okay, so it will come under which method? It will come from lithium compound. मैंने बताया था ना, कैडमियम और लिथियम दोनों से बन सकते हैं, तो उसमें ये मेथड बन गया कि लिथियम का हमने कंपाउंड ले लिया. सो दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द मेथड टू प्रिपेयर द ketone, and this method is called as the Core-House synthesis. Okay, so these are the certain method of the preparation we discussed by which we are able to prepare aldehyde and the ketones. ठीक है ना, तो ये aldehyde ketone का तरीका था. आज ये क्लास लेने का वजह ये था because today live streaming class was not possible due to the net connectivity issue. So what we did, we just made the short video based on the today lecture and posted. So I will post this video on the YouTube. You can browse and you can see over there. Okay, if any doubt will come, you can discuss with me. And tomorrow again when I will come in the live streaming class, I will start from the properties of the aldehyde and the ketones. Okay, so thank you so much dear. Thank you.